Hello everyone, it's time to wash the fuck out of this 10-day hair, so I thought I'd take you along with me. My hair has been through literal hell and back. It's been slicked, it's been in a ponytail, it's ugh. So I'm firstly going in by applying rosemary oil all to my scalp. I'm using the rosemary and mint oil by Miel. I think that's how you say it, but don't come at me if it's not. I'm firstly massaging it in with my fingers, and then I'm taking this scalp massager from Tangle Teezer and just massaging it all around my scalp. I usually do this for around 5 to 10 minutes or just until my arms start to hurt. Okay, now I'm throwing the oil all over my mid-lengths and ends. I'm going back in and just combing it through with my scalp massager just to make sure it's evenly distributed. I usually oil my hair maybe once every 2 weeks or just whenever my hair needs a real reset. Okay, now I'm just going to throw it into a plait because I actually had a lot to do today and I wanted to leave it in for a few hours. I think in total I left it on for about 4 hours today. And just like that, my hair looks so cute. And I didn't film the rest of the washing process, but here's me the next day after using heatless curls. I absolutely love hair reset day. It just looks so shiny, so healthy, so long, so strong, so literally perfect. So take this as your reminder to give your hair some extra TLC when it needs it. Bye!